Welcome to the present simple or present continuous quiz. Look, it heavily outside. The correct answer is raining. Use present continuous for actions happening at the moment of speaking. Signal, look. I usually tea for breakfast, but today I'm having coffee. The correct answer is drink. Use present simple for habits and routines. Signal usually. Can you answer the phone? I dinner at the moment. The correct answer is am cooking. Use present continuous for actions in progress right now. She speak French very well. The correct answer is doesn't. Use present simple, auxiliary does, for facts or general abilities. We, with friends this week, while our house is being painted. The correct answer is are staying. Use present continuous for temporary situations. The sun in the east. The correct answer is rises. Use present simple for general truths and scientific facts. Listen, the piano. The correct answer is playing. Use present continuous for actions happening now. Signal, listen. My brother in a bank. He has worked there for 10 years. The correct answer is works. Use present simple for permanent situations. You believe in ghosts? The correct answer is do. Stative verbs like believe, mental states, usually take present simple. Hurry up, the bus. The correct answer is coming. Use present continuous for actions happening right now. Every Monday, Sarah her kids to football practice. The correct answer is drives. Use present simple for regular repeated actions, signal every Monday. What you mean? The correct answer is understand. Stative verbs like understand are rarely used in the continuous form. Why are you wearing a coat? It's hot inside. The correct answer is are. Use present continuous to describe what someone is wearing currently. The train at 9 a.m. tomorrow. The correct answer is leaves. Use present simple for fixed timetables and schedules. Be quiet, the baby. The correct answer is sleeping. Use present continuous for actions in progress now.